Welcome to Horizon Hopper. Today we explore next-generation fighter jet AeroShadow S-72. Front angle hero shot. The AeroShadow S-72 reveals itself from the front with a sharp, stealth-focused presence. Its razor-like nose and angular wings immediately communicate purpose. This aircraft isn't built for display, it's engineered for silent dominance. The dark matte coating absorbs light, reducing visibility and signaling its role as a next-generation stealth strike fighter. Top-down aerial over ocean. From above, the S-72's stealth geometry becomes even more impressive. The blended wing body design minimizes radar cross-section while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. As it glides over the ocean, its surface reflects only fragments of light, showing how carefully the aircraft is shaped for invisibility and stability at high altitude. Side profile on runway. Viewed from the side on the runway, the AeroShadow S-72 appears compact yet powerful. Every panel line is intentional, reducing drag and radar reflection. Even while stationary, the jet feels tense, as if it's waiting to be unleashed. This balance of form and function defines its modern design philosophy. Rear takeoff with afterburners. When the engines ignite, the AeroShadow S-72 comes alive. The afterburners glow intensely, releasing controlled heat and thrust. The aircraft accelerates rapidly, lifting off with authority. The heat distortion and smoke trails behind it mark the moment when stealth transforms into raw power. Cockpit canopy close-up. A closer look at the cockpit reveals a futuristic command environment. The panoramic canopy offers unmatched visibility, while holographic HUD elements project flight data, targeting systems, and threat analysis directly into the pilot's view. The cockpit is designed to reduce workload and increase combat efficiency. Inside the hangar. Inside an underground hangar, the AeroShadow S-72 displays its engineering intelligence. Maintenance panels open seamlessly, exposing modular systems designed for rapid servicing. This aircraft isn't just advanced, it's practical, built for high mission readiness and fast turnaround during sustained operations. Low angle against storm clouds. A low-angle view against storm clouds emphasizes the S-72's intimidating silhouette. The aircraft looks unshaken by harsh weather, symbolizing resilience and reliability. It's built to operate where conditions are unpredictable and hostile, maintaining control when others cannot. Flying through snowy mountains. As the AeroShadow S-72 cuts through icy mountain air, its flight stability becomes clear. Turbulence barely affects its path. The aircraft moves with smooth precision, proving its adaptability in extreme environments and complex terrain. Engine turbine close-up. A macro view of the engine turbines exposes the heart of the aircraft. Advanced alloys, precision blades, and thermal management systems work together to deliver high thrust while reducing heat signature. These engines are optimized for both performance and stealth. High-speed evasive maneuver. During a sharp evasive maneuver, the AeroShadow S-72 demonstrates exceptional agility. It banks aggressively while maintaining full control. Motion blur emphasizes speed, but the jet remains stable, responsive, and perfectly balanced, even under extreme G-forces. Night operations. At night, subtle blue stealth LEDs highlight the aircraft without compromising invisibility. The S-72 moves through darkness like a shadow, supported by advanced night vision sensors and low-light targeting systems. This jet is designed to own the night sky. Landing sequence. During landing, the AeroShadow S-72 shows refined engineering. The landing gear deploys smoothly, absorbing impact with precision. Despite its combat capabilities, the aircraft returns to base with calm confidence and mechanical grace. Above the clouds at sunrise. Above the clouds at sunrise, the S-72 looks almost peaceful. Golden light reflects softly off its wings, revealing clean aerodynamic lines. At cruising altitude, the aircraft maximizes fuel efficiency while remaining ready to shift instantly into combat mode. Stealth black variant in fog. In dense fog, the stealth black variant nearly disappears. The matte coating absorbs light completely, making visual detection extremely difficult. Combined with radar-evading geometry, this configuration excels in covert penetration missions. Extreme altitude flight. At extreme altitude, the curvature of the Earth becomes visible beneath the AeroShadow S-72. Operating in thin air, the aircraft maintains stability and sensor performance. Few jets can function reliably at this height, giving the S-72 a strategic advantage. Underbelly view with weapon bays. From below, internal weapon bays open during a steep climb. By carrying weapons internally, the aircraft preserves stealth while maintaining serious strike capability. This balance defines modern stealth warfare. Breaking the sound barrier. As the AeroShadow S-72 pushes past max speed, a vapor cone forms around its fuselage. The shockwave marks a defining moment of power and precision. Even at supersonic speed, the aircraft remains composed and controllable. Blueprint style render. The blueprint view reveals the intelligence behind the design. Avionics, propulsion, sensors, and structural systems are arranged with efficiency and redundancy. Every system supports mission flexibility and long-term sustainability. Low-altitude desert flight. Flying low over desert terrain, the S-72 handles heat, dust, and turbulence effortlessly. Sand trails follow the wings as it maintains razor-sharp control. This proves the aircraft's effectiveness across multiple combat environments. Exploded 3D technical view. The final exploded view exposes the AeroShadow S-72's internal architecture. Engines, avionics, fuel systems, and stealth structures float apart, revealing a perfectly integrated machine. This is not just a fighter jet, it's a complete next-generation combat system. The AeroShadow S-72 represents the future of air combat, silent, intelligent, agile, and devastating when unleashed. Built for stealth dominance and multi-role superiority, it stands as a true symbol of next-generation aerospace power.